Is payroll giving you a headache? You're a small business owner, maybe in the home services, field services, or even the cleaning industry. You're juggling appointments, managing your crew, sending out invoices, and chasing payments. You're probably thinking, there has to be a better way to handle all this admin, especially when it comes to paying my team. You've heard of Jobber, right? It's that all-in-one field service management software that promises to streamline your operations. It helps with scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, CRM, and so much more. It's designed to make your life easier, freeing you up from endless paperwork and allowing you to focus on growing your business. But here's the burning question that often pops up when we talk about Jobber's capabilities. Does Jobber run payroll? It's a natural question to ask. After all, if Jobber handles so much of the administrative burden, wouldn't it be great if it also took care of paying your employees? Imagine the seamless integration. Your time tracking data flows directly into payroll, taxes are calculated automatically, and paychecks are dispersed with just a few clicks. It sounds like a dream, doesn't it? A single platform for almost everything. Let's dive into the specifics of Jobber's functionalities and address this question head-on. Jobber is a robust platform built from the ground up to manage the intricate details of a service business. It excels at time tracking. Your employees can clock in and out directly from the Jobber mobile app, recording their hours accurately. This is fantastic for understanding how much time is spent on each job, on travel, or even on breaks. You can see a clear, detailed breakdown of their daily and weekly hours. This data is invaluable for job costing and ensuring you're quoting accurately for future work. Furthermore, Jobber allows you to categorize time. You can differentiate between billable hours, non-billable hours, travel time, and even overtime. This granular level of detail is crucial for proper labor cost analysis. You can pull reports that show you exactly how many hours each team member has worked, which jobs they were on, and for how long. This information is vital for calculating wages. However, and this is a key distinction, Jobber is not designed to be a payroll processing system in itself. What does that mean exactly? It means Jobber won't calculate your employees' gross pay, deduct taxes, federal, state, or local, manage benefits deductions, handle garnishments, or generate pay stubs. It won't file your quarterly payroll taxes with the IRS or your state's revenue department. It also won't handle direct deposits or cut physical checks. So, while Jobber provides you with all the essential data you need to run payroll, accurate time logs for your employees, it doesn't perform the actual payroll calculations and disbursements. Think of it this way. Jobber gives you the ingredients, but it doesn't bake the cake. You'll still need a separate tool or service to handle the actual processing of your payroll. This might sound like a limitation, but in reality, it's a strategic design choice. Payroll processing is a highly specialized and regulated field. It involves complex tax laws, compliance requirements, and strict deadlines. Building a fully compliant and robust payroll system into Jobber would require a massive development effort, constantly updating to reflect changes in tax legislation, and managing a whole new set of security and privacy concerns related to financial data. Instead, Jobber focuses on what it does best: field service management. And when it comes to payroll, it offers excellent integration capabilities with leading payroll providers. This is where the true power of Jobber for payroll purposes lies. Many small businesses already use dedicated payroll software or services like QuickBooks Payroll, Gusto, ADP, or Paychex. Jobber understands this and makes it incredibly easy to export your time tracking data to these platforms. You can generate detailed timesheets from Jobber that include all the necessary information for your payroll provider. This eliminates the need for manual data entry, significantly reducing errors and saving you a tremendous amount of time. Let's walk through a typical scenario. Your employees track their hours daily using the Jobber app. At the end of the pay period, you go into Jobber, pull a timesheet report, and export it. This export can often be in a CSV format, which is readily importable into most payroll software. Your payroll provider then takes that accurate time data, applies your employees' wage rates, calculates all the necessary deductions, and handles the tax withholdings. They can then facilitate direct deposits, print checks, and manage your tax filings. This integration approach offers several advantages. Firstly, It allows you to choose the payroll provider that best suits your specific needs and budget. There's a wide array of options out there, each with its own features and pricing structures. You're not locked into a single, potentially less flexible payroll solution integrated directly into Jobber. Secondly, it ensures that your payroll is handled by specialists. Payroll companies are experts in tax compliance, regulations, and all the intricacies of paying employees. This minimizes your risk of errors and penalties, giving you peace of mind. Thirdly, it keeps Jobber lean and focused. By not trying to be a payroll processor, Jobber can dedicate its development resources to enhancing its core field service management functionalities. This means more features for scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and customer management, all designed to make your day-to-day operations smoother and more efficient. It's also worth noting that while Jobber doesn't run payroll, it provides valuable data for other aspects of your financial management. The detailed time tracking and job costing features allow you to accurately assess the profitability of your jobs. You can see how much labor went into each project, helping you refine your pricing strategies and identify areas where you might be overspending on labor. This financial insight, while not direct payroll, directly impacts your bottom line and helps you make informed business decisions. So, to reiterate, does Jobber run payroll? The direct answer is no. Jobber does not directly process payroll, calculate taxes, or disperse funds to your employees. However, it provides all the critical time tracking data you need to seamlessly integrate with your preferred payroll provider. It acts as the perfect feeder system for your payroll process, ensuring accuracy and saving you countless hours of manual data entry. This distinction is important because it sets clear expectations. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution that includes direct payroll processing, Jobber isn't it. But if you're looking for a powerful field service management tool that provides accurate time tracking and integrates beautifully with dedicated payroll solutions, then Jobber is an excellent choice. It streamlines the administrative side of your business, giving you the valuable time back to focus on what you do best, serving your customers and growing your company. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.